vermisse den Klang deiner Stimme. Ich vermisse es, mit dir zu reden. Ich vermisse dich.
Thanks for all you've done. I missed you for so long. I can't believe you're gone. You still live in me. I feel you in the wind. You guide me constantly. I never knew what it was to be alone, no, 'cause you were always there for me. You were always waiting. But now I come home, I miss your face so. Smiling down on me, I close my eyes to see the end of home. You're a part of me, and it's your song that sets me free. I sing it wild, I feel I can't hold on. I sing tonight 'cause it comforts me. Carry the things that remind me of you. Let's see those hands. In loving memory of, that's it, the one that was so true. You were as kind as you could be. And even though you're gone, you still mean the world to me. You sing it. Come home, it's not the same, no. It feels empty and alone. I can't believe you're gone, and I know you're a part of me, and it's your song that sets me free. I see it wild, I feel I can't hold on. I'm glad he set you free from sorrow. I'll still love you more tomorrow. And will you be there with me still? That's right now. Oh, you did with feeling. And you always found the meaning. Yeah, you always will. Yeah, you always will. And you always will.
Love of my life, my soulmate. You're my best friend. Part of me, like breathing. Now half of me is left. Don't know anything at all. Who am I to say you love me? I don't know anything at all. And who am I to say you need me? Color me blue, I'm lost in